All right, so tonight we are making key lime pie in a glass. So what you're gonna need is some Malibu, RumChata, some sweetened lime juice, and some club soda here. So, can we stop that, please?
Nope.
I guess we're gonna leave this in here. Just roll with it, thank you.
You know you can just pour it, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna be fancy with my nozzle. So I need equal parts Malibu and RumChata. First, I need some ice in my glass. Now I'm all off my game. All right, so I'm just gonna pour. Oh, looks good. Looks about equal. I'm gonna splash of lime juice here. Not sure what a splash is, but. And then you fill the rest with soda water. Give that a little stir. Cheers. And make sure you dribble it all over yourself. And it does taste like key lime pie. All right, have a good night.